The Nest 360 Implementation Tracker, or Nested, is a dashboard created by Newborn Essential Solutions and Technologies. Nested has been co-developed to enable data use for a diverse group of partners responsible for improving newborn care at multiple levels of the healthcare system. Version 1 was launched internally on April 13, 2023, and version 2 is coming soon to a wider audience. Nested is organized into 4 levels: the Nest program level, a multi-country level, a single country level, and the individual facility level. This structure shows the same data in different ways, recognizing that different users require different levels of detail to answer their questions. For example, the program level shows high-level trends across the entire Nest 360 program, but the facility level hones in on one facility at a time. At the top of the page, Nested is organized into interdisciplinary sections. The clinical section currently describes 6 indicators over time, with plans to add more in version 2. Depending on the level, the same data can be aggregated by performance towards a target. It could be broken out into run charts that compare facility data over time, or it could be focused on just one facility. And each graph is customizable, so users can focus on exactly what they need to see. In addition to continuous clinical data, users can study medical device performance measured quarterly during Nest quality improvement exercises. At each of the 4 levels, users can see functionality data on 6 device categories. They can also see information on consumable stockout and availability for these devices. Finally, users can also learn more about the frequency of planned preventive maintenance actions, which are reported in weekly event logs. If the user wanted to see more context on the environments where this data is collected, they could take a look at the Infrastructure and Human Resources tab. In this section, users can learn more about the frequency of electrical power outages, or they can see what % of a ward's capacity was occupied during each quality improvement visit. In a future version, this tab will also include data on staffing ratios. Finally, each level is accompanied by an Overview tab, which shows us how many facilities have been installed, the cumulative number of admissions and deaths since installation, the neonatal mortality rate since installation, how many QI visits have taken place at each facility, and the total number of biomedical and clinical staff trained through Nest exercises. Each Overview tab also comes with an admissions line graph, which shows us how many babies have been admitted to Nest facilities. At the facility level, we can also see when a facility was installed on this line graph. You can also customize the reporting period that you're looking at, just like you can customize most graphs in Nested. Our final 2 tabs on the sidebar include our Resources tab, which will have training materials for the user to reference as they're learning to use Nested. The feedback page includes instructions for how you can get in touch with our team to share your feedback while we refine Nested for wider use. Thank you for watching. This has been an overview of the Nest 360 Implementation Tracker.